Hello, boys and girls. So today is day 3 of our biography essay. As you can see, mine is continuously coming along really nicely, and so is yours. So I am going to look at my notes, and I am going to continue off where I started. Before I started this video, I looked at my notes and I read my essay. It's so important that you read your essay every day when you start to type. That really helps you understand where you were yesterday when you finished writing. So you can see here's my cursor. I am going to start a new paragraph, so I need to hit enter, and then I need to hit tab. Tab makes me indent, and we always indent our paragraphs. So yesterday when I finished, I taught he finally was a successful businessman selling caramels in Lancaster. So I am going to continue talking about his Lancaster caramels store. In the early 1890s, he had built 2 factories making caramels. He visited the Chicago Fair to learn about different candy businesses. There he discovered chocolate. He began to make chocolate using milk in hopes it would make chocolate more affordable. At that time, chocolate was expensive. I'm starting a new paragraph because now I'm going to talk about when he met his wife, and that is not anything to do with Chicago. In 1897, he met Catherine Sweeney, whose nickname was Kitty. Kitty and Milton married in 1898. Oops, I made a mistake. Kitty and Milton wanted to travel. He sold Lancaster Caramel Company in 1900 for $1 million. Now I am going to talk about how he started his chocolate business. He continued to try and perfect his chocolate. In 1904, he finally was satisfied with his chocolate. He made chocolates with an assembly line so he could produce a lot and very quickly. This made chocolate affordable. He sold his chocolate bars for 5 cents each. All right, I am going to stop there today. Again, you can see I wrote multiple paragraphs. It is important that when you are thinking about how your paragraphs are going to be built, that you are looking at it as a paragraph should have 3 to 4 sentences that talk about the same thing. So you can see that whenever I talked about Kitty, I made a new paragraph. It wasn't a very long paragraph, and so I then went and I created that paragraph separate from when I talked about his caramel and his chocolate and going to Chicago. I can hope to continue to read yours and continue to watch your essays develop. You are doing very good, and sometimes you may see some notes. I am going, just like I would in class, I help you edit your writing. I'm going to have to just help you edit through your computer. So you're going to see that I'm making notes and maybe making some changes in your essay. It's just like I would in the classroom when you would come to my table and we would read it together, and I would tell you where periods needed to be, where your capital letters. That's what I'm doing here. So we're just doing it remotely through our computers versus sitting next to me at a table. So if you see any notes on your essay, those are good notes. Those are just like I would in your classroom. All right, so now you need to write a couple more paragraphs, look at your notes, and do the best you can, and look for my notes on your essays. Thank you.